Okay, I just want to show you when I pulled off the bumper bar. The wires came out of the clip here. The wires are up there. I don't know if you can see them. Anyway, so now I've got to fuck around with that back into the clip so I can run these parker lights. I think these looms here must have been originally for what bumper bar they had on this car. Maybe fog lights or something like that, because there's another pair over there. Now they're just sitting here at idle. They're not connected to anything. So I'm going to repair that before I go any further. Okay, so I got the other clip off. You can see the connectors in there. That's one reason why I was against spraying black paint underneath the entire car. You wouldn't know what's what. So here we've got yellow, white and black. In here you've still got the pins, but I need to find out which wire is what. And then there's only 3 I've got to connect. Looks like they should crimp into there, but they just pulled straight out. So I'll just check the other side and see if I'm right, that the way the clip goes in and which wire should be what. Alright, if you look at these two, that's the way the clip go on. You got yellow, white, black there. And down here you have yellow, white, black there. So colour to colour. Beauty. So, okay, I was getting no luck with trying to put these fucking looms, loose wires back in here, and hopefully it will hold to it with some tape. So I checked the fuse boxes, they seem to be fine, but because this isn't connecting, this light up here is not working either, and neither is that or this, the other side. So I think the wires need to have good contact so the circuit can work. So what I'm going to do is try and do some some straight connectors there, whatever I've got left. If that doesn't work well, then I'll have to go hardcore solder. See what happens. Alright, so I managed to find some terminals, and we just stripped the wire and put these on. I figured that the spades would be, that's all I got really. It's Easter and shops are shut, so this will have to do. Just want to make sure the contact's good. And get out of it. What? Do you want to do it? You can do it while I have a beer. So, testing it, yep, good. This one is to the car, this one's to the light. So with these, you're going to need pressure to push on to the other side. So my way of thinking is to put the spades on this end. That's all I got too. There's scrap lying around, so I have to open that up. Hopefully I can. And crimp around it. I'm not going to get fancy with this. I'm just going to put tape on individually, then tape them all before I seal everything off. I'm going to test the light. So I've just opened up that, and hopefully it will crimp over. As you can see, it's on there nicely. It doesn't move. So, I don't have much wires to play with up there, but got no choice to do this because it's just fucking shit. In fact, if I take this off, shitty fucking things, and pull that, it should just pull straight out. There you go. How you get the fucking wires down there and stuff, I don't know. Shit system. Right, let's inspect these a bit. They got the blade still on. Ah. I'll show you a closer look. How they got these things on there. That's helpful. I've just got to make sure I get the right wires connecting to the right thing. Not much wires to play with, so I've got to get right underneath here now and have a good look. Here we got 4 wires. So these 2 black ones are actually kind of joined together. So one's going to have to be braided into the other and then connect up to the connector. We'll see how that goes. That's yellow to yellow. This one's white to white. And then black to black. Now the problem is we've got to keep those apart. Just like that. I'm just going to have a look at the fuse box behind this glove box here and see what fuses are in there so I can get the car working. I'm not sure how this actually comes out. I would have thought there would be an arm or something down there. Oh, never mind. I just found it. Pop them out. Maybe not. Yeah, you just pop out each side and it should just come down like that. Like so. There's the fuses there I've got to get to. How are you supposed to get to them? That's awkward. Oh, be careful, get these out. It's right behind friggin' this thing, so what's this? I wonder if that might come out. According to this book, because of the right hand tail lights out as well. So we're going to try and find that, which should be here somewhere in there. Righto, so I found the broken fuse. I had to get the tweezers out of the fuse box inside the engine bay there, which is this thing, to actually get behind there and pull these fuckers out. So I'll show you the broken fuse. For the purposes of the exercise, I'll show you. I don't know if you can see that. Like that. See the wires broken? So, and these are minis. I don't have any minis. I've got to go up the road. but I'll check the one behind it just in case as well. So if you got park lights out on the right hand side and your tail lights out, good chance that it's a fuse, because the wire's crossed and it sparked, so it blew a fuse, which is what it's meant to do. So hopefully the shops will be open. I'll zip up the road and get quite a few of these little minis, combination pack probably, and go from there. I'll just put out, sort out some differences here. See the difference between the two, but they still fit the big long ones and should work as well. Moment of truth, there's the park light, there's the fog light. So there was a fuse, but one on the right hand side is not working, the park light.